Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to buy any gift card using PayPal or Bitcoin. Buying digital gift cards is a quick way to shop online or send a gift to someone else. Many gift card stores accept PayPal directly, while some third-party marketplaces also allow you to pay with Bitcoin. Before making a purchase, always use a trusted gift card provider and double-check the merchant's name and the value of the gift card. Now let's get started. First, open the digital gift card website that accepts PayPal or Bitcoin. Now browse the available gift cards. Then select the gift card you want to buy. Next, choose the value you want to load onto the gift card. If you're buying the gift card for someone else, enter the recipient's email address, your name, and a short personal message. Now continue to the checkout page. Then select PayPal or Bitcoin as your payment method, depending on what the website supports. If you're paying with PayPal, sign in to your PayPal account. Now review the payment details. Then click Pay Now or Complete Purchase. If you're paying with Bitcoin, copy the payment address or scan the QR code provided by the seller. Then send the required amount of Bitcoin from your crypto wallet. After that, wait for the blockchain transaction to be confirmed. Once the payment is successful, the digital gift card will be sent to your email or to the recipient's email address. If you have an unwanted gift card that you want to exchange for PayPal balance, you can use a supported gift card exchange service. Now go to Card Cash, then enter the merchant's name and the remaining balance on your gift card. Now click Get Offer. If an offer is available, you'll see how much PayPal balance you can receive. If you have another gift card, click Add Card and enter its details. Then click Continue if you accept the offer. Now enter your gift card number and PIN. Then click Connect with PayPal. Sign into your PayPal account. After that, complete the required information. Finally, click Get My PayPal Balance to finish the exchange. Always check the gift card value, merchant details, and payment information before confirming your purchase or exchange, as most gift card transactions are non-refundable. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.